Let's head out to Greg Mocker. He's live on the Upper West Side near Central Park. Hey, Greg.
We're enjoying this view because we're certainly comparing it to what it looked like 24 hours ago. The weather can definitely slow down the fast pace of the city. You have people taking in the beautiful sights of Central Park. The sidewalks have been taken care of here, but everybody still has that kind of walk as they move around. And as we look over here to the intersections over by the road, everybody's going carefully because that's the part where it really starts to get messy. And we expect that is going to be the focus now. Something like 14,000 signaled intersections, so that's even more crosswalks that need to be addressed. The mayor says bus stops are going to be an even bigger priority. People know how to get around New York, and some of our video that we captured earlier showed, of course, the person on some cross-country skis here in the park, making the most of kind of this day. And isn't that what you'd expect here in New York? Somebody's got somewhere to be. Other people got to stay inside today. Other people had to work, but now everybody's focused on moving.
It is magical. I mean, it reminds me of my childhood. I grew up in a teeny tiny little French village in the forest, and I get a little bit of that feeling when I ride through the park.
Yeah, it makes it different from what we're used to around here.
Very different. Fantastic.
And now we couldn't not do this report and show some sledding there in Central Park. Everybody makes the most of that too, with a garbage can lid or maybe an actual sled. Back here live, let's refocus on the bus stops because that's going to be something. Tomorrow everybody's got somewhere to be. And the bus stops will be in focus this time around versus in January. Supervisors with sanitation are going to be GPS kind of geo-logging which ones have been cleaned, which ones they need to get to. So the administration promising that bus stops are going to be cleaner faster. They say they've already gotten to about 2,000 of them.